Yo, what up guys? Alright, so so now in this video we're gonna focus on displaying the node details. Alright, so as you saw in the last video when we were testing, when I clicked on any one of the nodes it redirected us to the node detail activity, but because we haven't hooked this one up, it wasn't really showing anything. So let's quickly do that. So I'm gonna go to the node detail activity. So let's see. Okay, so firstly I'm gonna set the action bar, then I'm gonna set the title to node details, and then I'm gonna go back to the manifest file up here, and then we're gonna pretty much do the exact same thing we did with the create node and the profile activity. So I'm gonna come here, paste this here. So by default, like I said, that arrow is going to show at the top, and then when you click on it, it will take you back to the main activity. Okay, so the design of it is not going to be complicated. It's just going to show the text, the body, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to change this to a linear layout. Then I wanted to have a background color of light gray, which is this one here. Right, so gravity, center, and then orientation is going to be vertical. Alright, then I'm going to add another linear layout here. Alright, let's see, match parent, and then this will wrap content. Let's see, I think I'm going to add some padding as well. Okay, and then the background of this, we're going to use the same styling that we used when we were setting up the what you call it, the nodes recycler view. Okay, and then let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it. Actually I'm lying. Horizontal will be DP, and then alright, so the first one is going to be the text view. This will be wrap content, and then the text for now is going to be empty. Right, the text size will be 40 SP, and then layouts, so to see how it looks like it will be this node title, so that's the size of it. Alright, but yeah, so for now it's just going to be empty. So the ID for this, then I'm going to copy this. This size will be 16 sp. Okay, this will be match parent. Okay, so now let's add the button. This is gonna go below this container. Let me put this here. Actually need to put some okay, and then I want the button to be gray, red. Background tint is going to be color. I think I named the color error color. Okay, okay, I think that's pretty much it. I need to add some the ID here. Okay, so now let's go to the activity. So let's first hook up the elements. so let's hook up the other ones as well. So if I haven't explained it, you see why I name these view elements explicitly, because it picks up all the view elements that are available, and if you don't name them correctly, you won't know which one you're choosing or which element you're hooking it up to. So just a side note there for those of you who might not know. All right. So let's quickly go back to so here in this section here, the view holder, remember this was when we were setting up the recycler view. So when we click the nodes, right, when we click on the nodes, we're basically pulling it using how can I put this, so when we click on the node, we're basically gonna it's basically gonna kick this method over here, and then what happens is that because this is in the main activity, from the intent is that it's gonna go to the node detail activity, and then before sending it to the node detail intent activity, we first put some details of the node in the intent.put extra methods. So then that's what we're going to use here to pull that information. You'll see just shortly now. So for example, if I come here, let's first get values. Right. So string string nodes ID, right, will equal to get intent and then remember the name of this is going to be this node ID, node title, node body, right? So that's the names we're getting: nodes ID, and I'm just going to duplicate that. Wait. Well, actually it doesn't matter. So nodes title, alright, so we're getting these values from the intent action itself. So here when the user clicks the view, it will send this data through, and then we'll to get the information from the intent, these are the methods that we call. Alright, so now we're going to need to set them up. Right, so below here, So we're gonna say notes title dot set text, sorry, notes DTL, sorry, title dot set text, and then we're gonna set it to notes title. Then we're gonna do the same for the body. Alright, so we're getting those values. We're gonna use this one a bit later on. You'll see we're gonna add so that it displays on the note detail here. Basically that's what we're doing here. We're just getting it from the note intent, and then it's gonna show it there. So this one we will use a bit later on when we set up the button to delete the note. So let's see what else do I need to add here. I think that's it for now. Let me just apply these changes and see how it looks on the app. Right, so this is what we're currently looking at. I'm gonna let it install the application, and then we're gonna come back and test. Okay, so the application is done installing. I want to start it from scratch, so I'm gonna close this, reopen it. Alright, so now let's click on one of these notes and see what it shows. Okay, it's showing the sample text. Okay, let me go back. Okay, it shows the other text but not the title. So let me just see what's the difference. Okay, note detail title. No detail body, no detail title. It's an empty string, so therefore no body, no title. Okay, I'm just trying to see where. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Oh, okay. I think there's a spelling mistake here. Alright, so some of you probably saw that, but yeah, let me just apply the changes. So within the node list recycler view helper, there was a spelling mistake. So just make sure that if yours is doing the same, just make sure that the title is correct. So let's try again. Let me just open the application. Okay, new. Alright, so there's our title there. It's now correctly showing. Let's go back. GM plan. Okay, that's working fine. New notes, that's fine. Let's create one more note. So here we'll just say create success, return. There's the new notes. Come back here. Okay, that works. Alright, so I think I'll end it here. In the next video we're gonna work on deleting these notes from our application. So I think we should end the video here. Again, guys, thanks again for sticking with me up until this point. I really appreciate the support, and I'll be seeing you guys within the next video. Thanks again. Cheers for now.